got some new taillights for the Fit. We have the Depo full LED taillights. There's what I currently have right now, the stock ones. But yeah, these are pretty nice. They're really good quality. So in order to take out the taillight, you'll have to take out the bulbs first. Next, you're gonna grab, I believe it's an 8mm. Yeah, it's an 8mm. So yeah, you basically take the little bolt out with an Allen key. Just try to be careful because, well, at least mine is rusted a little bit. So it should just come off. I got this one loose, so I was able to do it without stripping it. So after you get both of them out, you're gonna go and unscrew the bumper. So I took the screw that goes right here, then I unclipped it. I took that one out too. Now I just have to basically pull the bumper out, because there's some clips that go in the, basically in the middle. Just be careful and try not to break them. Hopefully I don't. After you take the bumper out, you have to take these are right here, the little bolts. They are pretty rusted, so I'm gonna have fun doing that. So after you take the two bolts right there, it should pretty much just come out. And there you go. Here's the old tail light. Yeah, it just came off pretty easy.
The next day.
So I finished installing them. That's how they look. Shout out to my dad for helping me finish up installing them. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll catch you guys in the next video.
Recognize real when I write this. Never do it like this. Rap pack be the hypest. Goddamn, can you feel it? Hold up, motherfucker, let me kill it. Run it back like that. Got your back like chiropractic. Hit you with the gat like brat. Not never.